This is a transmission for New Earth Whites. This is a transmission for New Earth Whites. You are needed as allies, change agents, and leaders to interrupt racism from deep within your racial group. You are being asked to challenge the status quo, to dare to uplift white humanity to higher heights of understanding and empathy for all other human beings. Please encourage whites to relinquish racism, to denounce false stereotypes rooted in lies and a desire to feel superior to others. Stereotypes that create barriers to opening your hearts to building new and authentic relationships with Blacks and people of color. New Earth Whites, your mission is clear. Your assistance is gravely required. This is a divine calling, and the first step is to hear this message and then to receive it inside of your hearts. Peace and blessings to all those within the sound of my voice. Empowerment to those who heed this call.